Hello friends, welcome. Today we're going to have a tech look configuration check on Mi 10T Pro model. In the box you're going to get a phone obviously, and you're going to get 33 watts USB charger, USB cable, SIM card ejector tool, and a big book of documentation we don't require actually. A simple documentation would be enough, but they have given a lot of information in that book. And finally, Mi is offering you antibacterial silicone gel case. That's it. Let's check it out. What is the exact configuration of this phone? Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. And also, please do comment in the comment section. That would be an awesome act. My name is KDR and you are watching Tech Look KDR around the world. The phone is made of aluminum frame and covered with glass body. That means the backside is also a glass body covered with Corning Gorilla for toughness. Even on the cameras covered with Corning Gorilla glass to give you a scratch resistance. Also, on the side you have a power button with fingerprint scanner, volume rockers. The other side clean, nothing else. On the top you have air blaster as well as microphone hole. On the bottom you have a charging port, SIM card tray and the speaker grill. That's it. Did I tell you that phone is coming in only two colors? Yes, one is cosmic black, the other one is lunar silver. Let me tell you about the display. You get a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display and it will offer you 2400 by 1080 resolution. Let me tell you something about this display. Forget about 60Hz refresh rate, 90 no, 120 no. It is now going to offer you 144Hz screen refresh rate. What does that mean is you're going to get a very smooth transition when you scroll up the content or when you watch a high-speed chase scene in a movie or racing sports, etc. You get a very smooth video. And the display is going to offer you a 1500:1 contrast ratio. Let me talk about the cameras. Everybody loves this part, right? So this phone is going to offer you a 20 megapixel selfie camera and it has a lot of modes to play with. Coming to the back camera, we got three cameras. The first one is a 108 megapixel huge camera. This camera is going to offer you a 7p element lens and optical image stabilization as well as 30x digital zoom. Right, very great camera. The second camera is 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and it's going to give you 123 degrees field view and 5p element construction. The third camera is the 5 megapixel camera which is used to get a very close photography, that means macro photography. So you can go as close as 2 centimeters to get your photography, macro photography. Let me talk about the battery. You're going to get 5000 mAh, which is enough for your all day usage. And you're going to get 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. You're going to get Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which is an octa-core and the clock speed is 2.84 GHz. You will also get Adreno 650 GPU for your gaming stuff, which is great. And this phone supports 5G. You can use a dual SIM card, nano SIM cards in the tray, and both SIM cards simultaneously at the same time operates 4G VoLTE. That's great. And let me tell you something about screen and the cameras which I forgot. The screen is going to work on adaptive sync technology. That means, as I said, it's going to offer you 144 screen refresh rate. So it automatically detects the content that is playing on the screen and it will change the refresh rate according to that content. If you don't require that much of higher refresh rate, it's going to drop back so that it will save you some battery. And about the camera, you can now record 8K video, which is great. And this is the video posted by Mi. Just take a look. let me tell you my point of view. This phone looks great, and people are going to love the way it looks and all, the cameras, the configurations, the battery, everything. But there are some points that are missing. One, wireless charging. It should have a wireless charging, but it's not there. That's okay. At least it has a fast charging option, and it's not going to offer you a water resistance, but there is a splash resistance. You can pre-book this phone if you want in the MS website, and the shipment starts from November 3. I'm going to post the link in the description. Just have a look, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and don't forget to use your mask. Thank you.